Do you like the AquaSense Beatbot? This is the Beatbot AquaSense Pro. You like it? Yeah, you like it.
What's up guys, Michael here, and this is the Beatbot AquaSense Pro. It is my favorite automatic robot AI-powered pool cleaner of 2024. And I'm gonna get in this video why that is and share my experience now that I've been using this thing pretty much all year. But this is a brand new one right here, and you have the chance to actually have this shipped directly to your home to use in your pool. This is almost a $2,000 cleaning system that could be yours absolutely free just by taking a few actions and of course, watching this video. So check the description for all the details and be sure to watch the video all the way through because I'm gonna give you the clues, what you need to know and do in order to be one of the lucky ones to win this very Beatbot AquaSense Pro. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro is my pick for 2024 Best Robot Pool Cleaner of the Year. This is after I've tested a lot of robot vacuum cleaners throughout the year. I still come back to the Beatbot AquaSense Pro as my choice in my pool, and I let my pool get extremely dirty for this video to show you guys how much it can clean. This thing is a debris cleaning monster, and it is a top-rated, top-selling brand. Beatbot is a company that has dominated the industry for a few years now, mostly because of their massive innovation in cleaning technologies. They have the 5-in-1 cleaning system where it cleans the floors, the walls, the water line, the water surface, and their water clarification system. Yes, this thing will even clarify your water as it's cleaning your pool. So they've really gone above and beyond just the idea of let's clean your pool, let's make your pool look beautiful all the time. It will even clean the surface of the pool. That is something that is really creative because it takes care of all aspects of your pool. The first thing that the AquaSense Pro does is it maps out your pool. And what I've noticed is that the longer I use it, the better it learns my pool. It does have AI built into it, and it really does learn the shape, the intricacies of your specific pool shape, and does a better job cleaning it every time. It picks up a ton of debris and makes our pool look so much better. That is why I wanted to give one of these away to one of my subscribers. So make sure you're following the steps in this video to get entered into my drawing to get this Beatbot AquaSense Pro. In fact, one of the people that has gotten a Beatbot AquaSense Pro from my YouTube videos even sent me this awesome picture of a Lamborghini with his Beatbot AquaSense Pro and called it the Lamborghini of pool robots. And I could not agree with him more because that is exactly what the Beatbot AquaSense Pro. It is an exotic robot pool cleaner for your swimming pool that will do the dirty work for you. Not only does it have its intelligent and efficient path optimization system, but has so much more. But let's give you one of those steps to win this Beatbot AquaSense Pro. Step number 1, you need to follow the Beatbot's official YouTube channel and social links. They are in the description of this video, so go down there, click on those links, and follow those social profiles. You also need to be subscribed to my Manshed channel, so make sure you smash the subscribe button and the bell notification, and there's one more instruction a little bit later on in the video, so keep watching. This thing is awesome. So it actually uses an S-shaped cleaning pattern for the overall pool cleaning, and for the pool walls and the water line, it uses an N-shaped cleaning pattern that they've determined to be the most efficient and thorough way to clean your pool. Just look at how much debris it's picking up in the path here as it's cleaning the bottom of my pool. That is a real testament to show you how powerful this robot pool cleaner is for your swimming pool. It really does have double the cleaning power and filtration system of most robot pool cleaners on the market. It also has a great debris removal system. In fact, they really did pay attention to picking up fine particles. In fact, particle as small as 150 micrometers, that is super small. It picks up some of the finest sand that I've seen in the filter when this pool cleaner is done cleaning my pool, and will even return to the surface so you can easily pull it out of the pool and put it back on the charger. It actually has 9 different motor systems inside of this one robot pool cleaner to handle the various tasks that it performs in your swimming pool. So in order to enter in to win this AquaSense Beatbot Pro, you need to do this. Comment down below, I want AquaSense. Just comment, I want AquaSense, and you'll be entered into the drawing to get an AquaSense Beatbot Pro. And also some really cool, exciting news coming from CES next month, Las Vegas. I will be at the Beatbot AquaSense booth. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you see that video to get the new exciting, oh, wait, I can't tell you. Never mind. Just be there on my channel next month, CES
2025.
So look at how much debris is in this robot pool cleaner. That thing filled up. The basket is full. Look at all this. And this is massive, but it's also massively easy to clean the filter and the basket from the Beatbot AquaSense Pro. You spray it off with a hose, put it back together, and stick it back in the robot pool cleaner. They've made it super easy and efficient to remove the debris. And then when you're done there, just go back and stick it on the wireless contact charging station, just like that, and it will start charging, ready for the next use. This is my pick for the best robot vacuum cleaner for 2024. Let's see what they do in 2025. I'm excited to be at CES, but be sure to follow the steps in this video so that you get entered in to possibly win this Beatbot AquaSense Pro, and subscribe to my channel because that is a must. What robot pool cleaners have you guys used, or do you not even have one at all? Let me know down in the comments.